As long as you clear that this little gap right there, it's at least 10, 15 feet.
No, Corey's saying jump from here. Yeah.
Like, oh.
Dude, go feel that way.
It's cold. It's very cold.
Yeah, like shockingly, oh my cold.
Yeah, I think it's too cold.
It's cold.
Oh, this is nice and warm. This pool.
The place to jump actually would be from this spot right here to right there. Your shortest leap.
Oh man, 10. I don't think that's 10 feet.
Oh yeah, for sure.
No, you got to look at this.
What do you think?
I think honestly,
I think
it's probably fine to jump. I mean, we're not diving straight, little cannonball action, you know. But I'm leaning towards you right now, jumping from there to that. But you got to feel that. It's shockingly cold, right? I mean, you know that, right? Okay.
That's why I'm saying I don't know that. You know, your body can go into shock.
Well, yeah.
You're gonna be in and out so quick.
In and out. First of all, it's not really in and out because first of all, you go in and then you got to find a way to get to a tower. See, I jumped down right here.
Yep, that's where I got straight grip with my hobbit jump.
You could do a swim challenge.
They didn't like that idea. Corey, get in.
Holy chunk balls. I won't even do this for 1 million subscribers.
Get in.
Nope.
Come on here.
Oh my.
Johnny, where are you? Get your towel and your hat off. Johnny, where are you? Wait for Johnny, and you guys can walk out together.
Dude, I've lost feeling in my feet right now.
Come over there and test how deep that coat is.
Yeah, John, you do it.
I can't swim. These rocks look slimy. The ones over there, I was in ankle deep and they were slimy.
Oh my gosh. Get in. I'll jump in.
It definitely is like makes me feel like a man when I stick my foot in there. Oh my gosh, my foot literally I'm losing.
Feel the healing powers.
An attitude adjustment.
That is death waiting to happen. You would not survive 3 minutes.
You took cold showers for like a whole week.
It's like 80-degree cold shower. Oh my god, Johnny, what do you think? Like you're actually considering this? We're not even gonna get a subscriber for this.
Yeah, you don't get used to it. It's not just getting needly painful.
No, yeah, because you're losing.
Johnny, you gotta like move.
Yeah, you gotta like move. Go on your belly.
We actually don't make it out.
Lay on your back. Do the back float.
I don't think there's much of, I mean, it's very
Don't just stand there.
But you know what they say? It's mind over matter.
I mean, if we did it, it wouldn't be like, okay, come on, let's stay in. It would be, yep, that's cold and out.
Yeah.
I think from here and that, it's possible now, yeah.
It's not possible for me to stay in for 1 even second. Like
Go
my
walk
feet,
out
I'm
and go
literally lost
underwater.
feeling in my feet right here.
And then we don't release the footage until we get to 200 subscribers.
1 million.
Corey, you gotta do it before them. They're gonna do it. They got determination
I
on
don't
their
give
side. We have shriveled testicles on our side. That's scary. Oh, look at that nice flat lip.
There you go. Now just jump in, John. Dive. The fun part about it is that once you get out, it's gonna feel hot.
Slower, slower.
We will both die. Our hearts will stop. I was just about to jump in, and so now it's mentally I'm not there yet again. John, we've never done it where it's like we are about to die.
This is very Karate Kid. That's what I'm afraid of. Now you've been there, man.
That's so cold. Oh my.
How was it climb out? Was it easy to climb out?
No, you will never get out, John. You will never get out, John. Don't do it.
Ready, Bernie?
It's on.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes. It is freezing.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. That is so cold. What do we do? Woosah. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't get 1 million subscribers, I'm gonna be mad. Damn, that's brisk.
We gotta think more.
Johnny, I cannot explain to you how cold that was. No. I don't think you realize how chilly that was. Do you know
I was in it. I realized
Were you?
exactly. Yeah.
It was
First one in it.
that
Stinging chili.
stinging, not just
I don't think I've felt
holy shnikes.
Polar plunge might be an amazing.
I don't think-
it's even more of an amazing feat.
Even more? You think can something get colder than that?
Yeah.
No.
What's cooler than being cool?
Ice cool.